I've seen this happen several times, especially in the emergency. This is a button battery. You will find it in the remote control of some ACs, some heating units, some key fobs. You will find it in some equipment. And the danger of this thing, in as much as it's very useful, is that it can be swallowed by a child. It's very small. This is my thumb. This is the size. It can be swallowed by a child. And when it's swallowed by a child, because it's an electrical unit, you have the positive and the negative terminal. And the child, the body has electrolytes, fluids, tissues. It can cause a reaction because you are short circuiting the battery basically because you're touching the positive and negative. And that child may be in danger. It takes sensitive parents, and we say, look, if it happens immediately, bring that child to the emergency. We'll do an X-ray. The X-ray will show us where the thing is located. In fact, the X-ray will identify what the object is. Then we'll now take to the emergency immediately. It's not something like, oh, come back. No. Emergency immediately. Go in and try to bring it out using specialized instruments. Why we are rushing is because if this thing reacts, the tissue may corrode. And if corrosion occurs, it can perforate the swallowing tube, it can perforate the stomach. If it gets as low as the stomach, the intestine, it can perforate the intestine. Inflammation will occur. So we go there, we remove it. That's not it. Depending on how long, even if it's few hours, you will see inflammation, you see market. So you have to put a feeding tube or something that will relieve that child from swallowing, from eating, and rubbing against that surface to allow it to heal. So it will look better. You will notice after looking again with your endoscope, saying that, okay, the healing has occurred. Then we can now take out the tube. And some companies have tried to make it bitter. They coat it with bitter substances so that if a child puts it in the mouth, the child will not swallow it, the child will spit it out. Some of companies have done that. So please, in as much as we use it every day, please keep away from children. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.